When I tell you don't blame others for your own action, Peaches, I truly
This is my
mean
own
it,
mess that I
honey.
created.
Your
I should have paid my
business is
rent on
out here
time.
because of you. You exposed your own business. To simply blame black people, black sisters, whatever, y'all, look, you can't make this up. You already know I've been doing some digging. Come on, copyright claim is up. Under 107 of the Copyright Act, allowance is made for fair use for the purpose of criticism, comment, and news report. And I'm about to teach you something. Come on, period. When I tell you all this information is surfacing around here in these YouTube streets and all over social media about Peach McIntyre's life and what she's going through, it's simply because Peach put it out there. She wanted a click and a view and a dollar or two, and that's just what it was. So the people showed up because she linked her own information. And it's not just me that's going to say it, but several people saw that as well. So if you don't believe me, let's do a small recap. I'll show you what the people got to say. You see, when you go over there on TikTok, you can clearly hear what the people had to say when it came to Peach McIntyre and her information being leaked out here in these YouTube streets as well as over on TikTok and all the other platforms. But see, Peaches put her foot in her own mouth, and the people is not the ones to blame. Peaches did that as a star tactic in that courtroom. If you don't believe me, let's go. I don't know about you, but I remember when Peach took the time out to expose her own self right here in this clip here. But before we continue, I must give you a flashback of when Peach told the public that people had all her information, but yet alone she still posted her information for courts. Now make that make sense. But
I mean,
here's what somebody had to say.
she put the damn Zoom address. She blasted it out, and then when it's time for her to court date or whatever, everybody shows up. A bunch of people show up. Like they flood the whole damn courtroom, basically. And so her lawyer is mad because, I mean, I'm pretty sure he's aggravated. The judge is aggravated as well. He ends up shutting it down early and everything. But y'all, when I say Peach went in there with her babies inside her damn titties, both of them, just hanging on for dear life. And y'all know. But will I be mad at them? Absolutely not. Because when you put your entire life online, that's what's gonna happen. When you are addicted to social media, to putting your personal business on social media, that's what's gonna happen. You could be a content creator and talk about other content creators and their business. That's what I do. You could make your money a different way than putting your own business online. But listen, Peach McIntyre has an addiction that outweighs the love that she has for her children, because there is no way that I would have gambled my rent money. There's no way I would be getting evicted twice in less than a year. At some point, something has to change. There's no way I would have 9 kids with a man that does not help me. There's no way I would keep having his kids. There's no way at all.
You see, so as I was continuing to watch Peach, I ran across this lady here, and she had an opinion about the whole situation too. So y'all, look, take a listen to what she said. It'll make you think.
To her mama now. You do the same exact thing. So how do you get mad when you get mad when other people doing it together? Ooh. You call the girl, you call the people the devil. But the stuff you do is not the actions of the devil. That's not devilish. What you doing? You have some real devilish ways. So that's not, I mean, girl, like, and I really hate to even see you going through what you're going through because of those kids. That's the only reason why, not because of the stuff because you do some mean stuff. So it's gonna be a lot of people that don't like you. You talk to people any type of way. You come out here, you tell all your family business. You disrespectful to your mother and your family member and your people that be in your chat. And your supporters if they say the wrong thing out the way. So you know people is not gonna have no type of sympathy for you. It's a lot of people that don't have sympathy for you.
And indeed it is. But baby, one lady had this to say.
She's going to have an awakening. And the energies that she's been in, the things that she's said, her actions, she's going to think about it when she has this awakening. And spirits keep showing me a lot of energies around her children. And before you come for me, I'm not wishing death or anything bad upon her children.
Now, clearly, you can see people all over got an opinion about this whole situation about Peach and her eviction and what she's putting her family through. But some people care and some don't care. But, baby, y'all already know Sherelle S. Hodges has something to say. Take a
And they got all
listen.
these kids. But where was this empathy when you was on the internet exposing your address, posting your eviction notice, posting your address, doing all of this for people to help you and do all of this other craziness? Everything was cool, fine, and dandy when people was in your business and they were assisting you. But now that you're being evicted and people going to go watch you be evicted, for whatever reason they may be doing it, it's a problem now because she got kids. No, you can't exploit a situation all the way up until, and then when people continue what you started, now it's a problem. Now nobody cares about the 10 kids and this bum ass of a nigga that she got. Nobody cares about the fact that, oh my God, she really about to be out here in the street. That lady know what she doing. Let's just call a spade a spade. Everything is cool, gravy, fine and dandy when that shit putting money in her pocket. But then when the people turn around and they just go and finish off, like, oh, okay, shit, you about to be evicted, we about to go and watch it. We about to go and finish it off. It's an issue? Come on, y'all. Let's use our common sense. Like, yeah, it's a sad thing when you know kids about to be out on the street and they about to be homeless and things of the sort. But there was a ton of things that the mother or father could have done to prevent that from happening. You can't stop the domino effect once you start it. It doesn't make sense.
And it don't make sense. But nevertheless, you know you got people out here that's cheering on for Peach. And the people are leaving comments behind. So let's just check out some of these comments that they had to say and listen to some of their opinion about the other people showing up in the courtroom. Make it make sense.
What goes around come back around, y'all. Like, I understand y'all dislike Peach, but them kids ain't did shit to y'all. We all know Peach do have a gambling habit. She do. That's her business. She got an eviction. She said she got the $11,000 already at the court, but the people in the office just won't take it because they want her gone. But why the fuck would 40 of y'all show up just to get this lady put out, knowing she just had these kids? Like, come on, man. That's something I just can't agree with. Y'all are miserable. Then it's this creator that's on here, like, yeah, we showing up to the next hearing. Like, girl, you're miserable. I don't know if you're trying to, build your following or something like that, baby. That's the wrong way to do it. That's the wrong way to do it.
Whether it's wrong or right, you got content creators out here trying to advocate for Peach McIntyre. But baby, it's called karma. Okay? That's what it's called. You can't make this up. You can't do wrong upon others and expect others to respect you. That's just what it is. But here's another content creator that's on the side of Peach McIntyre. Now, I'm not on either one side. It's here or there for me because she ain't coming to stay with me, and that's just facts. Okay? So, in the meanwhile,
Agree
let's
with
take a listen
everything
to
that
her.
Peaches McIntyre do on this internet. Absolutely not. Some of the stuff, I have to stroll past it because I'm like, oh no, Peaches, you done took it too far. Hurt people, but you done did too much, baby. You gotta pipe it down. Don't do all that, But Peaches McIntyre is a grown woman. But let's zoom past Peaches and Wood, y'all. I just want to say this right fast. We got Gregory McKay. We got Choice. We got Gorgeous, Amazing, Wonderful, Phenomenal, Baby A, Baby B. If I missed one, McIntyre, I think I named all her children. She got 9 children, y'all. 9 beautiful kids, y'all. To displace 9 kids from the place that they call home. Them twins was just born Christmas Eve, y'all. This the only home they know is home. They barely been home, y'all, because they just came out the NICU. Phenomenal, a 1-year-old baby, having to try the wear and tear, trying to move with that many kids and small kids at that child. Them kids don't deserve that move, y'all. Forget how you feel about Peach. Get at Peach in a different way, Forget how you feel about Peach. But them kids, y'all, them kids are pulling my heartstrings. It's 9 of them, y'all. She got a half of a football team.
It's the very reason she should have been more responsible. But nevertheless, look at the comment that was left. and share your opinion. Meanwhile, we're going to take a listen to Kimmy's World, where Kimmy has showed up in the courts and she dropped that tea over on TikTok. So take a listen.
Let's get into it. So Peach McIntyre had eviction court on today. Child, everybody and their mama showed up to the eviction court. Now y'all do know that it is open to the public. There was about 34 people who were on the Zoom call today in the eviction court. Several content creators, some subscribers was on there as well, and of course, myself. Peach McIntyre showed up to the eviction court. It looked like she had walked the walk of shame today. She had baby A and B on her chest, and I believe she used them for sympathy. Now, the judge was trying to figure out why was so many people on the court proceeding. Peach made a statement and she said that the people that were on there were going to record her, they were going to take her pictures, and they were going to put it out to social media because she is an influencer and she has over 2 million people following her. So the judge asked the attorney, he was like, would you like to reschedule it? The attorney was like, he really didn't have a problem. We could proceed forward with the case on today as long as nobody is recording it. Everybody in the chat was saying no one is recording, no one's going to record, blah blah blah. And the judge said we're gonna talk about rescheduling. So he cut his camera off. While he cut his camera off, Peach eventually cut her camera off as well, and people began to type in the chat area of the Zoom call. They began to say that there were 11 people living in a 3-bedroom apartment. She got 9 kids and none of them was on a lease. They also began to say that she was bringing down the property value of the apartment complex, and the attorney read every comment. I made the comment, I said, look, how about we all just log off, let them continue on with this court hearing. And the attorney said, yeah, how about everybody just log off, because he didn't want to have no long drawn out case. And to me, it was like he was just no nonsense. Peach is not going to get an extension. I really believe that they are going to evict her. Do I wish she get evicted? No. But
even though there's a but in there, I will say this. There are several content creators that was there. And I chose to pick her video to go ahead and put it out there that she told you exactly what she saw and heard in the courtroom. And you can't make this up. When you put your business out there, people are going to flock to it. This is Peoplelicious TV. I thank you for viewing. Share your opinion below and please be respectful. Peace out.